Good evening, one and all. Welcome to the year Prakashan. I am winner examination department of state level. Okay. Today we are going to study in grade 6th. We are going to study mathematics. And in mathematics, this is our first unit. And name of our first unit is the numbers. Under this first unit, we are going to study our first subtopic. Okay? And 1.1. See the topic name properly, and we are supposed to explain all this concept along with more concept. So, name of our topic is whole numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, Roman numerals and place value. In addition to this, we are supposed to study face value, co-prime numbers and twins prime numbers and natural number. Okay. So mathematics first subtopic is the whole numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime number, composite number, Roman numerals and place values. Okay. Let us start, and we are going to begin with our natural number. So we know that right from the beginning we know the counting, and in school also we have started the counting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, and it goes on. So number which start right from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers are called as the natural numbers. Okay. Now, when you do addition of natural number, when we are going to add a natural number, answer will be natural number itself. Okay. When we are going to add a natural numbers, answer will be natural number only. Now, if you multiply the natural number by 0, if you multiply the natural number by 0, answer will be 0. Answer will be 0. These few things you are supposed to remember. Okay. Now let us make a small change. And instead of going to start with 1, I will start the number with zeros, and like this it will go on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. Okay. See the small difference here. We are going to create mistake. Natural number starts with 1 and whole number. So numbers which start from 0 are called as the whole numbers. Are called as the whole numbers. Okay. Now if you see properly the difference, whatever we have studied, that the natural number starts with 1 and whole number starts with 0, and the counting will go on. Same like natural number, addition of 0 with anything, 0 with 2, 0 with 5, 0 with 17, this will give number itself. So whatever number is there, if we add this number to 0, we will get the same number back again. Okay. Few rules when you are going to remember natural number. When you are going to remember whole number, you have to remember this. Okay. Now, you will say that whether it is a natural number, whether it is the whole number, we haven't seen the negative sign anywhere. Now already you have studied up to this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Here it will be -1, -2, -3, -4, minus 5. Now see, first it was only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have added 0 and now we are going to add minus 1, minus 2, and here this side also it will go on. Okay, this side also it will go on. If number consists, these are called negative integers, negative numbers. Okay, negative numbers, 0 and positive number. See, here negative number, 0 and positive number together, they are called as integer. Here in natural number, it was only plus. Then we have added 0 to it. When sign are not given, that is plus itself. And now here we have added negative numbers. So negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers, all together they are called as integers. So numbers with negative sign, they are negative integers, and numbers with positive sign, they are, or plus sign, they are positive integers. Okay. Now in case of integers, regarding addition, regarding subtraction, there are few rules. Okay, let us see these rules. Whenever we are going to add number, plus will give you plus. I will explain. These are rules. I will explain this with example. See how. Plus 2 and again plus 3. So this is positive. Plus will give you answer in plus only. That is the plus 5. Okay. Again. So I will write this side. First is plus will give you plus. Right? Plus minus will be minus, and you will give sign of bigger number. Plus minus is minus and you will give sign of bigger number. How? See, both ways we will go. Plus 5 and minus 7. Plus 5 minus 7. What we have said, plus minus will be minus. So 5 minus 7 or 7 minus 5, it will be 2. 7 minus 5 will be 2. And here you will give sign of bigger number. The sign of bigger number is 7. You can go in this way also to make it more comfortable. So 7 is bigger number which is having minus sign, and therefore 2 will get the sign of bigger number. Okay. Third rule is minus will be plus again. Minus will be plus. See how? Minus 5 minus 8. So it will be minus will be plus. So do plus. 8 plus 5 will be 13 and give sign of bigger number, that is minus 8. Are you getting what I am telling you? Whenever you operate this, you are supposed to do minus will be plus. But while giving sign, you will give sign of bigger number only. Okay? And fourth operation will be minus plus will be minus. So here you have to remember this. Plus plus will be plus, plus minus will be minus, minus minus will be plus, minus plus will be minus. In case of addition, in case of subtraction, you are supposed to give sign of bigger number. No need to give sign of bigger number in case of multiplication. Please remember this rule. When you are going to add, when you are going to do subtraction, you are supposed to give sign of bigger number, but in case of multiplication there is no need to give sign of bigger number. Okay, let us see this example. We haven't seen. So minus, we can take 5, and here we can take plus 3. So minus plus is minus. 5 minus 3 will be 2. Give sign of bigger number. Here 5 is bigger number, so that will be minus. Okay, clear? So we have finished with whole numbers, we have finished with natural number, and we have finished with the integers. Natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole number will start with 0. When negative numbers are included, it will be integer. Okay. Now our next topic comes, that is the odd and even. So odd and even, this lecture we will study what is odd and even, and in next lecture I will give you some tricks how to solve these odd and even numbers. Okay. Now, so even number. And odd number. I'll tell both ways. See for which way you are comfortable. Let us start with the even numbers first. Listen to me. Numbers which are divisible by 2. Numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Are called even numbers. Numbers which are not divisible by 2. Not word is very important. Number which is not divisible by 2 is called odd numbers. Okay. Now if there is one digit, so that is 2, 4, 6, 8, and I'll write 0 here first purposely. You know that 2 is stable, right? So 2 comes under 2 stable, 4 comes, 6 comes, 8 comes. Here it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So here also this number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, this does not come under 2 stable, and we will say that this is the odd number. But what if the number is 3 digit, 2 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, whatever it is there? Okay, let us study these two numbers. One number is 125 and other number is 224. Okay. Now, this is the ones place, this is the tens place, and this is the 100 place. It goes on 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, whatever it is there. Here also this is ones place, here it is tens place, and this one is the 100 place. Right? To know whether the given number is odd or even, concentrate on this ones place. You are supposed to concentrate here. Whatever the number is there before this, we are not interested in that. See the number which is at the ones place. Okay. Now if I see properly, I'll come to know that the 5 is at the ones place of 125. So this 5 is not divisible by 2, or this 5 does not comes under the table of 2. If the number, I have told you already, if the number which does not comes under the table of 2, that is the odd number. Okay? And if, now this is 4, right, at the ones place. And this 4 comes under the table of 2, or the 4 is divisible by 2, and therefore whole number 2 to 4 is the even number. Okay? Again, question will be asked like this: addition of odd number, multiplication of odd number, subtraction of odd number, division of odd number. They can ask you a question like this. So if even number and even number is added, you will get even number only. You will get even number only. If odd number is added, we will take examples. So here even number, let us take 2 plus even number 4. So what I have told you, if even number and even number is added, so it will be 6. That is the even number only. If odd numbers are added, odd number plus odd number, still you will get even number. Still you will get even number. Let us see 5 plus 3, that is the 8. You can try for other numbers also if you want. Okay. Now 1 is even number and other is the odd number. 4 plus 5, it will give you answer, that is the odd number only, because here 9 is the odd number. Okay. I hope so. Whatever we are going very slow properly. Whatever I am telling you, you might be getting it. Okay. Now, so here we have finished with odd numbers and even numbers. Let us see prime numbers. So very clear. Next topic is our, that is the prime numbers. Okay. First I will tell you definition. Listen to definition first properly. The numbers which are divisible by itself only, that numbers are called as prime numbers. The numbers which are divisible by itself only, such numbers are called as prime numbers, or prime numbers are the numbers which does not come under the table of any other number, which are not divisible by any other number, or they will not come under the table. All type of definitions I have explained you. The number which is divisible by itself, or the number which comes under its own table, 2, 3, 5, 7, now 8 comes, 9 comes, 10 comes, 11, 13, 17, 19, so on. Okay. Such types of numbers are called as the prime number. Okay, got? Now, in this prime numbers only, we are going to study twins prime number. Twins prime number. And we will also study co-prime number. Okay, we will study twins prime number. We know that twins means 2, right? So what is this 2 exactly? That I will explain you. The number, pair it is, prime, twins prime numbers. Listen to me. The difference between, if the difference between 2 prime number is 2. The difference between 2 prime number is 2, then that 2 prime numbers are called as twins prime number. Example 3 and 5. Okay, 5 and 7. More 11 and 13. 17 and 19. So here see 5 minus 3, that is the 7 minus 5, 13 minus 11. Okay, or other way it will be in between 3 and 5 only one number 4, 5 and 7 only one number 6. So whatever it is easier to you remember, you can remember. 1 and 13 will be 12, 17 and 19 it will be 18. So the way, which way you want to remember, you can remember. If the difference is 2 or any composite number, only one composite number which lie in between them, that numbers are called as the twins prime number. Okay, so whatever I have more you can give, that is 59, 61, many are there. Okay, so these few examples I have written of twins prime number. Now our second topic is the co-prime number. Co-prime numbers are the prime number which do not have any common factor in between them. The numbers which do not have co-prime numbers are pair of numbers. It is not related to this. This is over now. We are going to study a co-prime numbers. Numbers which do not. It's simple numbers. Here it was prime numbers. So co-prime numbers are the numbers which do not have any common factor in them. It is called as the co-prime numbers. See, 10 and 17. You will not find any type of common factor in between 16 and 21. No, 21 comes under only table of 3 and 7. Okay, so no common factor. Again 32 and 39. These are many pairs are there like this. You can also form 4 and 5, 2 and 3. Many pairs you can form. The numbers which do not have any common factor in between them, they are called as the co-prime number. This both twins prime number and co-prime number, they come under the topic of prime numbers. Now composite numbers. Composite numbers are exactly opposite to prime numbers. So they are divisible by other numbers. They have factors. They come under the table of any other number. Okay. So composite number composite number are exactly opposite to prime number, these numbers come under the table of other numbers, or these numbers are divisible by other number, or they have factors. For examples, I'll take 16. So 16s come under the table of 2, that is the factor. 4 is there, and 8 and 16 itself. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 itself. Why? These are the factors. That's why 16 is the composite number. Number which have multiples, number which comes under the table of other number, or number which is divisible by any other number. Such numbers are called as composite number. Long list is there: 24, 32, 96, then many are there, 8. So whatever number of examples you can give regarding composite numbers. Now it comes to under big topic, that is the Roman numerals. Sir, 1 minute stop kara. Now we will start with the Roman numerals. First, let me explain you that Roman numerals, and let me tell you first what is the meaning of Roman numerals. See, whatever number we study, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or whatever we study, now these numbers we can represent with the help of the Romans. Okay. Now there are some basic Romans or basic alphabet which are going to represent the international numbers. So which are they? That is the I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Okay, these are Roman numerals. And in international they represent 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Okay, so these are fixed values. Roman numerals I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay, values are 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. When they give you value, they have made some rules regarding it. Okay. So first rule is that whatever the Roman you take, either you take I, either you take V, either you take X, L, C, D, M, maximum beside V, leaving V, you can repeat this Roman at least 3 times. We can repeat the Roman at least 3 times, just leaving V. Okay, how to repeat? 1 time. Okay, 2 times, and this is 1, 2, 3. Why I am not writing its value? Because we are supposed to explain next rule. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Same case regarding X. 1 time, 2 time, because we are not going to take V. Now one more thing, whatever rules I am going to explain you, I will explain only taking I, V and X, will not go for higher values, that is L, C, D and M. So X 1 time, double X 2 time and 3 time X. 4 times, 5 times, 6 times we cannot take. This is the max values we can go for. Either you can take 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Okay. Now when you write like this 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, you are not going to include V. Okay. This is the first rule. Now second rule, what it is? Rule number 2. Rule number 2. First take the higher Roman. Higher Roman means for I and V it is X. For V it is only I. Smaller Roman either you can write to the left side or you can write to the right side. Okay? When you write to right side, you're right side, you're supposed to do addition. You're supposed to do addition. And when you write to left side, you're supposed to do subtraction. Both rule I am going to explain together. So when you write lower numerals of higher numerals to right side, then it will be addition, and when you will write to left side, then it will be subtraction. Remember that not to write more than 3 times. Let us see for right side. V 1 time I am going to write. Okay. So V represents 5. I represents 1. 5 plus 1 will be 6. But at same time, if I write to like this, then it will be 5. Now smaller numeral Roman is to the left side. So I will do subtraction and it will be 4. Okay. This I have written only 1 time. Go for 2 times. 1, 2. So it will be 5. Plus 1 will be 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Regarding I and V, I have explained you. Let us go for X. So X, if it is right side, it will be addition. 10 plus 1 will be 11. Okay. If it is left side, it will be 10 minus 1, that will be 9. Okay. Continue. 1, 2. 10 plus 1 plus 1, 12. 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 13. Same you can go for 5 also. So X, here it is 5. 10 plus 5 will be 15. Okay. And so on we can make. Okay. I hope so you have understood. If smaller Roman is to right side, it will be addition. If to the left side, smaller only, then it will be subtraction. Let us find Roman for 1 to 10. Now it's somewhat easier. Let us see how to find now. So I it is 1. We can repeat 3 times. 2. 1 plus 1 it will be 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 it will be 3 over 5. Then to this left side it will be 5 minus 1, that will be 4. 5 itself it is given in Roman chart, that will be 5. To right side 5 plus 1 will be 6. Plus 1 will be 7. 8. 10 minus 1 will be 9. And this is 10 finally. So you can see from 1 till 10 we have written all the Roman numerals, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Whatever you want, with the help of LCDM, you can make lot of international numbers. Okay, so this is whole about the Roman numerals. Now we will go for place value and face value. Okay, last point, and expanded form is remaining. Okay, so place value, I'll take face value first. Face value, then place value, and then we will see expanded form. Okay, now I will take only one common number, 5, 4, 7, 3. Okay, now face value of 3 is 3 only. Okay, face value of 5 is 5 only. Face value of 4, at an instant when we see at number, if they are going to ask us the face value of 4, it will be 4 only. If they ask the face value of 7, it will be 7 only. So whatever number is given to you, 12 face value of 2, it is 2 only. Face value of 1 will be 1 only. But regarding place value, it is different. How it is different? Let us see. So number is given 5, 4, 7, 3. Right here ones, tens, 100 and 1000. We know that for ones place we do not add any zero. For tens place we add 1 0 or we write 1 0. For hundreds place there are 2 0 and for 1000 place there are 3 zeros. Okay, see now, if they ask you the place value of 3 in 5, 4, 7, 3, it will be 3 only. If they ask you the place value of 7, it will be 70. Why 70? Because 7 is on tens place. That's why we write 1 0 for tens place. Okay. For 100 it will be 4 0 0. Again why? Because 4 is on hundreds place and for 100 we add 2 zeros or we write 2 zeros, and for 1000, for if the place they are going to ask you the place value of 5, then it will be 1 2 3. 3 zeros. Why? Because here 5 is on thousands place and we know that for 1000 place we add 3 zeros. Okay, and last topic of the place value, that is the expanded form. can do with other examples also. If you want to try, you can try with other example by your mind. Now let us see the expanded form. For expanded form, I'll write one example. 3, 5, 4, 0, 9. Okay. See the values. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, and 10,000 place. Okay. What we are studying? We are studying expanded form. Okay. So first is 3, 10,000. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 10,000 place it is. Plus, give sign of addition. Plus 1,000. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Exactly. 100. 2 zeros. 4, 0, 0. Now, on tens place it is 0. Though it is 0, you are supposed to write 0 also. And how many zeros you will add? Only 1. Why? Why 1? Because how does it? Why 1? Because 0 is at the tens place. Plus, again, I'll write only 9. Why 9? Because 9 is at ones place, and for ones place we are not going to write any type of 0. Such type of whatever I have explained you, this is called as the expanded form. Expanded form you can write of any number till 1000, lakh, 10 lakh, whatever it is there. Okay. So here how we have finished with our first point 1.1 topic, that is whole number, even number, odd number, prime number, composite, Roman number and place value. Okay. So for today we will stop here. Regarding exercise and tricks we will go for next video. Okay. Thank you.